Your lungs are silently screaming. Pollution, smoke, stress, they're choking you from the inside. Here's how to fight back with food. Tomatoes, like armor for your lungs, blocks damage before it starts. Blueberries, think lung detox in every bite, deep cleaning antioxidants. Red bell peppers, vitamin C surge equals stronger, cleaner breath. Ginger, melt the mucus, free your chest. Walnuts, these nuts literally rebuild lung tissue from the inside out. Still breathing? Good. Now start breathing better. Save this now. Your lungs will thank you with every breath.